Hey kids, what y'all doing today? Oh, you want to watch me open some cards? Okay, I can do that. This is my second box of 2019 Panini Prizm Draft Picks. I'm not even gonna kid around. That first box was fun to open. It was a lot of fun. There's a lot of color in here. There's an autograph in every pack. 5 packs only, but an auto in every pack. Lots of numbered stuff. This is pretty sweet. It's fun to open. Wish the price was a little bit lower, I'm not gonna lie, because you know you can get a box of this, like the 15 version, for like 25 bucks a box or something. That's it makes you kind of think, damn, I'm paying a lot for it right now. So I don't know. Of course, you know the true value will be determined by what this rookie class actually does. And as I admitted in the last box, opening the last box, I'm not sure of all the rookies I'm even supposed to be looking for yet. And I watch a ton of college football, but I tend to mostly watch the SEC, so I'm mostly familiar with, you know, those players over other divisions. But anyways, so I know Kyler Murray, Dwayne Haskins. In Leaf Draft, there was the Calvin Ridley's brother. I don't know if he's in this or not. I named him in the last break thinking he might appear, but I mean, when you're only getting, you know, a couple of cards, there's no guarantee you're going to get any certain player, so he could be in here. Same as last box. I don't like this. The packs are just floating around in here loose. It looks like they tried to design it where they would sit in the middle, but the glue or whatever is not holding, so the packs are just flying around in there, which could cause damage. Luckily, you know, chrome cards are pretty thick, so they should be alright, but I can't guarantee it. They get thrown around enough, it's not going to be good. Alright, this is the base card, Kerryon Johnson, which looks pretty good. Sam Darnold. DeAndre Hopkins. This is like the Mojo, numbered out of 49. First auto, Jonathan Abram out of Mississippi State. A rookie Prizm, Rodney Anderson from Oklahoma, sorry. There's Mahomes. They always make Mahomes college cards make him look just so weird. Like the one, the the Prizm Draft Picks, like regular. He looks like he's a kicker in that one. I hate that one. Roger Staubach and All-Americans Anthony Miller. You know the one I'm talking about, the like silver foil card. He looks like he's a kicker in that one. It's really bizarre. Alright. Tom Brady. I got this one in the last box, which I still haven't figured out what this is. I think it looks like stained glass. I'm gonna go with that. Michael Irvin. Josh Rosen. Foster Moreau out of LSU. David Montgomery, rookie purple out of Iowa State. Tom Brady base. And Troy Aikman. Nittany Lion mascot. AP. Julio Jones. Orange. Jazz Ferguson. Autograph. Who does he play for? I don't recognize that. That might be a Texas team. Or maybe it's Florida, because it looks like the fans in the back are Mississippi State. It doesn't say, but I'm going to guess that's Florida. Rookie orange, Bryce Love out of Stanford. Andrew Luck. Saquon Barkley. And Drew Brees. Alright, pack number 4. Mascot Buckeye, got him in the last box. Christian Kirk, got him in the last box. Fournette All-Americans, but this is like a hollow purple version. Cody Thompson, rookie autograph out of Toledo. Justice Hill, orange rookie. Oklahoma State. Dan Marino. Barry Sanders. And there's Calvin Ridley. I was just talking about you, Calvin. Man, he made some amazing catches. Man, he's an athlete. I mean, just amazing stuff. Alright, last pack. Who we got here? Barry Sanders, Melvin Gordon, All-Americans. James Conner, got you in the last box. Jared Goff, purple. Last autograph is Terry McLaurin out of Ohio State. Yuck. Jared Stidham. It's numbered out of 25 too. Why are they even making cards of him? Every time he like snapped the ball, he looked like a deer in headlights. Ugh. Oh, there we go. Joe Namath. Joe, you should have been the refractor. And Albert. Albert? I didn't know the Florida Gator was named Albert. How did I not know that? Oh, Albert. You silly thing. I need Big Al. Not Albert. Alright, that's it. Another box. It's fun to break. I'm not even gonna lie. It's fun to break. I said it before. I say it again. I think the price is a little high. I wish it was a little bit lower, a little bit more affordable, especially for the number of cards you get. But it's just really fun to break. There's lots of stuff in here, lots of stuff to look at. I mean, even after I've opened it, I get to go back and look and study all these cards and these different variations. And I mean, it gives you more fun than like normal. If you open a box of, let's say, Heritage, I mean, yeah, you can go through and look for the short prints, but all the other cards kind of just look the same. This is different, definitely different. So in my book, that's a good thing. But let me know what you think. Comment below, let me know. Do you like Prizm draft picks? Is it just an unnecessary product that Panini's pushing out for more money? Although we all know that there's lots and lots and lots of products hitting the market nowadays, but I don't know. It's probably something just to get it out there and start getting us hooked on these new class of rookies and whatnot. But I don't know. Even though baseball just started, I'm always looking for football. Always longing for football to start back once the season ends. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this break. If you did, please give me a little like below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I haven't forgotten. I keep telling you I'm going to do a giveaway. I think I'm just going to do like eBay gift cards. And I'll be doing that really soon, but it will only be for subscribers. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do that now if you wish to be entered. And that's it. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you again soon.